We provide this hiring alert section in our each sessions where we discuss the details of the hiring we are providing and the details such like a profile, the experience and the eligibility and skill sets, and also the expected salary as well we discussed here. So get your link from the comment section and do apply and grab your opportunity to get yourself hired. So the hiring alert notification we have today to discuss is the profile is for that analyst, and the experience is 1 to 5 years only. Means the people having the matching experience can do apply for this. Eligibility is the bachelor's degree you should have in IT, or MBA and masters is also preferable. And the skill sets they have asked for that you should be aware of about of SQL, Python, and the Tableau, Power BI would also be like uh, add some extra weightage for you. And the expected salary they have ranged it from 5.0 to 9.0. Like it is officially not disclosed, but yeah, it will vary from this to this. Okay, and we have this such hiring alert sections in our each sessions. There will be we are providing link for unique hiring notifications. So please do check our other content as well, and do subscribe us so that you can be stay connected with us and can have this apply for the different jobs and hiring notifications. Yeah, thank you. So we'll be continuing that 10 days strategy for getting that Azure 900 certification clear. So we will be discussing questions for sample questions for that. So you can practice these questions, and you can like if you who able to get all these questions, maybe you will be able to crack your certification easily in a very short span of time. Okay, so the very first question is you need to create a new virtual machines from a tablet and that runs the Android operating system. So what are the three possible solutions for this? So the first one is use Bash in your Azure Cloud Shell. You can use PowerShell in your Azure Cloud Shell, and you can use the Azure portal as well. Another, a team of developers at your company plans to deploy and then remove 50 virtual machines each week. So all the virtual machines are configured by using Azure Resource Manager template. You need to recommend which Azure service will minimize the administrative effect required to deploy and remove the virtual machines. So the solutions you will recommend will be your Azure Dev Test Lab. Another, we have these statements written out there. You need to mark them as yes or no. The first one is Azure Advisor provides recommendation on how to improve the security of an Azure Active Directory environment. So it's no only Azure Active Directory provides recommendations on how to reduce the cost of running Azure virtual machines. Yes. Azure Advisor provides recommendation on how to configure the network settings on Azure virtual machines. No, it's not. Okay, then another question is you have an Azure subscriptions named subscription one. You sign into the Azure portal and create a resource group named RG1. From the Azure documentation, you have the following command that creates a virtual machine named VM1. As is at VM creates resource group RG1 name VM1 image one2 OLTS like this. So you need to create a VM1 in a subscription one by using the command solution from the Azure portal. Launches Azure Cloud Shell and select PowerShell. Run the command in Cloud Shell. So will it work? Yeah, it will work. Again, you need to create a virtual machines. Now you have recommended the solution is using a computer that runs Windows 10, install Azure CLI from the PowerShell. So will it work? Yeah, it will work as well. Another, you have to like create a virtual machine, and this time you have recommended solutions to use a computer that runs Windows 10, install Azure CLI from a command prompt. So will it work? Yeah, it will work as well. Okay, so in these questions, you can access compliance manager from which your Azure portal only. So which is a common platform for deploying objects to a cloud infrastructure and for implementing consistency across the Azure environment. So it's Azure Resource Manager templates provides. Okay, so you have some drag downs. You need to select the appropriate options from these. So first one, your Azure bot service, which provides a digital online assistant that provides speech support. Azure machine learning uses past training to provide predictions that have high probability. Azure Functions provides serverless computing functionality. Azure IoT Hub, it processes data from millions of sensors. So that's all for the sessions. Thank you.